We're going to make an easy clasp to close your necklace. I made this necklace in another video, and I'm going to show you how I made my wire clasp to close it. I needed a clasp to attach to the end of my chain. So I take my 20 gauge wire and I cut two 5-inch pieces. First I'm going to make the hook, and then I'll make the other side that the hook goes into. I take one piece of my wire and my flat nose pliers, and I place the flat nose pliers about 1/3 of the way down my wire, and I fold the wire over to make a hook. I use my pliers to make the hook as narrow as I can, so I squeeze the wires together. At the other end of the wire, I take my pliers and I make a right angle, and I use the pliers to make another hook, but this is more of a loop, and I'm going to hold the top of the loop and wrap that wire around both of the two wires that I folded together. Cut your excess wire and place your pliers at the halfway point of your wire. You're going to fold your wire to make your hook. I need to adjust my hook because I needed to fold my hook all the way down to where I wrapped the wire. And I finished the hook by turning the end of it up. Use your round nose pliers and just take the other piece of wire and go down 1/3 and wrap the longer part around until it crosses your other wire. And go around again because you're making a double circle. Position your pliers where the two wires meet and use the smaller wire to make another circle that crosses over. Now you're going to use your pliers to hold your smaller circle while you wrap that longer piece of wire around the center of the two circles. Cut off your excess wire, and then you're going to be ready to attach your two pieces using jump rings to your necklace, and you'll have your closure. All right, good people, you know the drill. If you like this video, please like, subscribe if you haven't. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.